years old.
What?
Gotcha. I have a question.
What?
How come you have such a healthy-looking skin? Oh, may I touch it? Ooh, it's pretty nice. Hey, what's your secret?
My secret is I love healthy food.
Oh, what? Happy foods?
Healthy.
Oh, healthy foods. Like what? Cheetahs?
No.
Oh, I got it. Doritos.
No.
Fritos? What? Come on, what's your secret?
I eat tuna sandwich.
Ooh, tuna sandwich? Then can I learn how to make tuna sandwich?
Yeah, but you need a board.
I don't have a board.
You have a little one.
Oh, my cute little board. Oh, you're so sweet. Come on, give me a hug. Come here. Don't worry, I'm not going to smooch you. Don't worry, I brushed my teeth 100 years ago.
What?
Okay, then what do we need for tummy sandwich?
Tuna sandwich.
Yeah, these are tummy sandwiches. I'm going to cut my tummy.
No!
What?
That's violent. We need tuna.
Oh,
Lemon.
tuna. Yeah, lemon. You call me a lemon?
No, we need.
I'm not a scaredy cat. You call me a lemon?
No.
What, you want to fight with me, huh?
No.
Do ya?
We need a tuna.
Yeah.
And we need lemon,
Lemon.
mayonnaise,
Mayonnaise. I love to shampoo with mayonnaise.
mustard,
Mustard. I love to massage with mustard.
and salt.
Huh? What?
Salt.
Oh, I like eating salty.
And pepper.
Ooh. Okay. So, when are you going to eat?
I said tuna sandwich.
So, where's tuna sandwich?
We have to
Tuna.
We have to make it.
You make it, I eat it.
No!
Sir, one tuna sandwich for me.
No.
You have to cook?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's cook it.
Can you pass the mayonnaise? Crunch. No junk food.
Oh, but I just only ate 10.
What?
I'm starving. See, you see my tummy's growling.
Yes.
So, what do we need? Achoo.
Can you pass the mayonnaise?
Oh, okay. Come here, mayonnaise. Where are you? Oh, okay. Mayonnaise. And what do you need?
We need tuna, but I have in here.
Oh, let me help you. Give me the knife. Okay, now let me help you. Okay.
Crunchy!
What?
Crunchy!
Kids never play with the knife, okay?
Yeah.
It's very dangerous, see? So, okay, we're going What? Okay, we put it down. Safe.
You have to just spread the mayonnaise.
Spread the mayonnaise and eat it.
No.
Oh, I'm starving. When are you going to finish?
Wait a minute. Can you pass the tuna?
Okay, tuna. Here, tuna.
That's a banana!
Oh, sorry. Oops. Uh-oh, banana falling down. Tuna? Where's tuna?
Here.
Could you help me? I've got short hands. Yeah? What do we need?
We need lemon.
Oh, lemon. Okay, lemon. Where's lemon?
Crunchy-Munchy?
Yeah.
Oh!
I tricked you. Are you squishing it?
Yeah.
And can I see what's inside? Ooh, can you do it?
Ah! Crunchy-Munchy!
Yeah.
Ew! Ew!
Ew, ito jangan wajib mom. Wajib mom. Yummy, yummy mayonnaise.
Ew, crunch. Oh, you said you have a shower with mayonnaise.
Yes, I love to eat my special mask. I put them on and my hands looks much more
Can I have
yummy.
the pepper?
Oh, okay, pepper. Pepper. Whoa.
Ooh, it almost fell.
Sorry. Grind the pepper. Many pepper.
No!
Why?
No, Nanny.
Many pepper.
Can
More
you
pepper.
Can you pass me the salt?
So, okay.
Oh, thank you.
More salt.
Can you pass me the mayonnaise?
Here's the man. Oh,
Thank you. Gotcha. Crunchy-Munchy, what are you eating? Whoopies!
Whoa! I'm not eating anything.
How much did you eat?
Maybe 30.
What?
Should I eat more?
No.
What are you making? Can I see?
Can you pass me the celery?
Okay. Abracadabra. Come here, celery. Ooh. I said the magic words and it worked. Ooh. Hi. Okay, so step whatever it is. So what do we need to do?
We have to cut the celery.
Yep.
Kids cannot use knife without parents. Okay.
What do I have to do?
Cut the celery with this knife.
Okay. Cut. Hiya.
With the knife, like this.
Okay. With the knife, like. Hiya.
Oh. Crunchy-Munchy with the knife.
Okay. Mommy! Yes, darling? Oh, Mommy, could you help me cutting up the celery? Oh, okay, no problem. Just give me the celery. Okay. Here. That's a knife, darling. Celery. Where's celery? Here. Oh, thank you. Oh, is your celery? Okay, you just follow me. And give me the knife, darling. Oopsie, be careful. Okay, one moment.
Crunchy-Munchy, are you done? Already?
Oops, sorry, Mommy. No problem, darling. I love you. Here. Yep, I'm done. Ooh, they're really good celeries. Don't take my celery.
What?
Don't take my celery. It's mine.
No.
Here.
That's a sport!
Oh. Forward. Oh, did I cut it wrong?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, no, I'll bring a better one this time. One moment. Here, Granny.
Thank
I
you.
got a spoon. You can pat on me for being a good boy. Thank you. love you. Huggy time.
There's Crunchy-Munchy.
Oh, it's me. Ooh, it's my dada. Dada! Just kidding. I'm hungry.
Almost done. Almost done. Crunchy-Munchy, where are you?
Here.
Oh, there.
And here.
Oh, Crunchy-Munchy.
Yeah. Ooh. That smells so good.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh. Snack.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's okay.
So what's the final snack? Final step.
You have to put the
Ooh,
cheese.
what's that?
Parmesan cheese.
Oh, what? Parking cheese?
Parmesan.
How do you spell parmesan?
I don't know.
P-P-A-P-P-R. Wow, it's like snowing. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Wow, what is that? A grass?
No,
Is it from Christmas tree?
decorate with parsley.
Ooh, that looks good. Can I smell it?
Yeah.
I don't know what that thing is, but it smells good.
They're so cute.
Yeah, it's so cute too. Do you exercise?
Yeah.
Ooh, then can I be handsome like you?
Yeah.
When I eat this tuna sandwich?
No, you have to exercise.
Oh, I can exercise. Hiya. Oh, that looks so good. Are we done?
We are
done. Eating time. Yay!
Can you eat the tuna sandwich?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Better turn up the camera.
What?
Better turn up the camera.
Okay.